Our next stop was Srinagar, where we caught up with the Deputy Grand Mufti of Kashmir, Nasirul Islam, who's often spotted on television spewing venom against India. And in his free time, he also runs a parallel kangaroo court where he's the judge, jury and the executioner.
We take the cognizance and then we start proceeding, and mostly the thing is that we don't send the cases to the court for final decision or for award, but we ensure that whatever decision we have reached, whatever agreement we have made, or we have succeeded to bring parties together, and we implement that.
So this is almost like a parallel legal court.
This is a parallel legal, and it is parallel legal court. Yes.
So how do you make sure that the verdicts are binding on?
I told you, verdicts are binding. We brought the parties. The court could not finalize this matter for 7 years. So it took me around less than 7 months to decide this matter. And I facilitated, and we reached into an agreement. And the gentleman was paid 40 lakh rupees in installments.
Okay.
And they have withdrawn. And finally, they took my award and made it a court of rule of court.
Right. So what the courts can't do, you manage to do it, and you ensure that people.
I don't say that courts cannot manage to do it, but you see. The legal system is such a lengthy process that once you go to lower court, then you may have other steps. So if you lose a case in the lower court, then it may go to the upper court, then higher court, and then finally apex court. And it takes a lot of time for people. It's a time-consuming job and money-consuming job. Here we take nominal amount and we settle down the matter according to. We try to negotiate and bring people together on the table and finish this.
And here, what you say is final, so they can't keep going back and forth to multiple.
They have a faith.
Correct. How do you interact with these girls? Like in this case, the girl band.
Yeah.
How do you convince them of how what they do?
It's just a statement issued by the Mufti Azam Kashmir, and he said, "Look here, this is against our own ethics and our own religiosity." And they came out. They said, and even I think. The then Home Minister came in their support, and not only the Home Minister, Chief Minister came in their support, and then Digvijay Singh came in their support, Congress spokesman, and he said to them, "Look here, we are going to provide security." They said, "No, look here, Ratan, we salute you, enough is enough, since Mufti Azam has said, and we are not going to do it. We don't accept it as a profession now. Forget about it."
So your word is
you
that.
See, why there was no we didn't threaten them. We simply said, "Look here, you are our daughters, you are our grace, you are our pride, don't do it." That's all. And they said, "No, we will not."